What's up, everybody? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be installing a windshield on the motorcycle. Now, my mechanical prowess is subpar, to say the least, but it's just one bracket and one windshield, so I think we can do it. So we're gonna go try this now, and I thought I'd bring you guys with me. So it's actually a pretty nice day out today. A little chilly, it's still in the 40s, but the sun is shining and there's no ounce of snow in sight. So, you know, that's a pretty good fucking thing. Pretty happy about that. I heard like 6 motorcycles just coming in and out of the house already. So it's a good day for the bike. And let me show you guys the windshield the second I get over to the Jeep. So I bought the National Cycle Switchblade. Yes, Switchblade windshield. That's what's in here. You can't really see it. I haven't unwrapped it yet. So this will be the first look at the Switchblade. If I can get it. Oh, I didn't even have to rip open the packaging. Look at that. So, ooh, look at this. It's so nice. So this is the Switchblade windshield by National Cycle, and then I have a Softail without the light bar, like you see on a lot of the like on a Heritage Classic and shit. So I had to get the special mounting bracket for it too. And yeah, I think I have all the tools that I need. So we're gonna crack right into this. And hopefully I don't fuck it up. Well, the first bolt was easy. Let's try the second one. Ooh, baby, look at that. It's pretty grimy. Oh shit. So I took this little piece off and the second bolt. So here are all the pieces. I got all these little bolts for the mounting brackets, like that. And then I have these attached onto the windshield, onto this little bracket. And then it all goes together to block the wind for me. So if I'm reading this right, first thing I need to do is take this, a long bolt, and this big guy. Whoa, that wind scared me. That goes like this, and then I take a little one with a little bolt in the bottom and do this. Oh boy, like that. Yeah, so there's the first piece. I gotta do this twice. So I got the first side on. This is what it's supposed to look like. So this bracket sticks out a little bit like that. That's what it looks like. And then this is what it looks like without it. So now I gotta do this side. So it looks like that. There we have it. We've got brackets on both sides. Oh, the bit came up. I have these little arms on. There goes one of my neighbors. Shield wall! Shield wall! Alright, let's see if this works. So change of plans. These were really hard to press on, and I'm afraid of like damaging the windshield, which I don't want to do. So I took the bracket off the windshield and I just popped it into place like so. So we're gonna do that on the other side, and then hopefully it should be all done. Perfect. Look at that. Now it's just hand tight, but we have we have done it. This is the National Cycle Switchblade Windshield. All these little brackets. Now I gotta buff them out because I got my fingerprints all over them. But hopefully that'll take a little bit of wind off my face when I'm riding. And that's how she looks, and it's about time. I've only wanted to get a windshield for, you know, the past like 2 years, but here we are. And typical, I don't have the right wrench to tighten up the bolt, so I gotta take it to the storage unit. Got the goods. Look at this wrench. It's a fucking ratcheting wrench, and the head pivots, so you can fucking squeeze right in there. Oh, hold on. There we go, just like that. The windshield is complete. All that's left now is to go for a ride. Back home now, and the windshield, as you can see, is still attached and does its job. So I guess that wraps up today's video. If you watched it, thank you. Please subscribe, like it, follow me for next time, do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you later. Peace.